All right, let the sound font extravaganza commence.
Yeah!
All right, which one do you want to do first? Oh, snap.
Here comes a Death Star.
Fire it up. Whoa! Planet destroyed.
Awesome. Destroy the planet.
Oh, it's a Death Star sound font, dude.
Let's
Can they see the blade? We made it like a cool wavy green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's try to crash it. Whoa,
Yes.
This is so cool.
Oh, blast deflects. I made them red. Woo!
The rest of my beam.
All right, then what about lockup?
Oh my god, this is so
All right, do you need that?
I think doesn't have
Continue with the operation. You may fire when ready.
Yes.
This station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
Whoa!
Yeah. Let's try one more.
Don't be too proud of this technological terror you've constructed. The ability to destroy a
It's
planet
Darth
is insane.
Vader!
Thanks to the power of the Force.
Awesome. Yoop. Yes.
It's Thor's hammer! Try the music.
So cool. I got this like blue lightning blade profile I put to it. Got blast deflect.
They're having some
Can you hear the light? Can you hear the electricity? Oh, he threw some lightning down on the ground. That was awesome. That's so cool. Ah, God of Lightning. Lightning! Yeah! Woo! Your turn. All right, we've got Kyberphonics 6 smooth swing sound fonts for the Galaxy's Edge Kyber crystals.
Oh my
Woo!
god, it's gonna be so awesome.
Like you're walking out of Savi's workshop, you just built a lightsaber. Turn it on, dude. Oh, it sounds just like the yellow saber.
Like Rey Skywalker.
Oh, man. Yellow Galaxy's Edge lightsaber.
Holy cow.
Blaster deflect. Clashes. I think he did a really good job at creating what he thinks the clashes and blaster deflects would sound like, right?
Yeah.
Cool. It has like a metallic sound to it.
Sounds like
Remember
Rey Skywalker.
the whip that we made that joke in the yellow lightsaber video? Remember the whip? When mom's calling me to dinner. Whoosh. Then lock up. Yes. All right. The Lightsaber.
Light so katana.
Dude, totally sounds like it, man. That is so cool.
I'm gonna try blaster flash.
Okay.
Sounds like yours kind of.
Yeah, kind of same blaster flex. That's cool though. It's cool.
Walk up.
Yeah. How about clashes?
It flashes green.
Yeah. Here's the blade profile I picked. Right on. All right. Ghostbusters! Oh, dude! Ah! Whatever you do, don't cross the beams, okay, dude? Awesome! Woo!
Whoa!
Ghostbusters! Get Slimer, dude! Uh-oh.
Oh, here we go. No way!
Yes! Cool. That's the shock baton, man. How does it sound?
It sounds electrically. And when you swing it,
Yeah. Yes! So cool. How about blast reflect? Oh yeah. So cool, dude.
whoa!
Awesome. Check this out, guys. This is a Crait Dragon sound font by JuanSith.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, I've got this awesome blade font where it's breathing like the dragon. Oh, do you hear that?
Whoa!
Dude! Oh, that's so cool. So the sound of the saber is kind of like low and muffled. But that's because it has to share the sound of the Crait Dragon, like running and diving through the sand and stuff. Oh, it's like you're fighting a Crait Dragon.
Yeah.
He like yells every time you use the lockup or the blast deflect.
You should have blocked that one.
Oh, that is so cool. Had to get this. Let's see. Force effect! Yes! Do you know what that is? That's a transformer. Oh, yeah. Made this one purple.
Whoa!
Oh, man, that sounds so cool. There's some force effects. Yeah? Yes, that is so cool. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, this is UNLIGHTSABLE. Yeah, that's right. It's just a cool unstable sound effect. Cool, give us some swings, bro. I want to hear it. Oh, yeah. I gave him like a cool Kylo Ren flame blade profile.
Whoa.
And it sounds like a cool Kylo Ren sound, but like not so deep and ominous. More electrical, I think. Boom! Big boof. We call it the force push. Oh, those are some sick clashes, man. Those are like
It's actually
violent. Sick. And then we do blast deflect, right? You like it?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Up
I
high.
tried this one before.
Oh. All right. My turn. Do that one.
You Saviber skills so much. What is the power of this Darksaber?
Oh, this sound font sounds so cool. It's super dark. Go for it, dude.
Charger Brinks. Whoa. Sith lightsaber.
Oh man, that's such a menacing, dark sound to it.
I'm trying blast effect.
Oh man. Oh, that sounds so cool and unique, man.
I'm trying that force
Oh,
effect.
dude.
Lazy.
Very, very bad.
I put some really funny Jar Jar Binks sounds on that for the force effects. Man, This is one of the coolest dark-sided sound fonts I've like ever heard. This is super cool, and we have a really neat like pulsing. Can you guys see that? Like a wavy pulsing blade font that matches the sound font.
Whoa.
And so our last two fonts, I've got the Kyberphonic Millennium Falcon font, and he's got JuanSith's Boba Fett's Starship. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So that way we can go outside and like have space battles with our lightsabers. Isn't that cool? Oh shoot. Yes! It's alive!
That's awesome!
Yes, I love the flash effects. It's like blasting these TIE fighters out of the space.
Oh, you're shooting blasters.
Woo!
Hyperspace.
And it powers down. Yeah. Oh, love that. All right, your turn, dude.
Oh, when it makes that.
Yeah. Like it ran. Remember, like the hyperdrive's not working, and it
Yeah.
makes that really cool sound. All right, your turn, dude.
Fett.
Oh,
Boba
dude!
Fett's
You see that
ship.
white flare that came out?
Yeah.
Cool. Swing it around for us, bud. Oh, dude! His slave ship is flying in space. That is so cool.
And Boba Fett's dad too.
All right, what's Clash sound like? Oh, those are action-packed, man. Cool. All right, blast deflect.
Oh, that's what.
Oh, dude, his epic like bomb going off. That's so cool.
I'm trying to lock that.
Sick. All right, lock up.
Oh, it's shooting.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
Fire!
Oh, can you hear the alarms going off? That is cool, man.
Holy cow! It like goes fast.
Oh,
it, like,
wow.
Shoots kind of slow, but then that was the first time.
Oh, dude, that is super fun. And power down?
And then it goes down slowly.
Cool. Moonsaber sound fonts up high.
Awesome!
Yeah.